China lifts 76-day Wuhan coronavirus lockdown. China has lifted Wuhan's lockdown after having sealed off the epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic since January 23. Wuhan, the capital of Hubei province, has reopened its borders, but health authorities say that the threat of infection still looms over the city. The novel coronavirus was first detected in Wuhan, home to 11 million people, in December 2019. While the lockdown has been lifted, several restrictions remain in place in order to further contain the spread of the virus. Residents and visitors of Wuhan will be allowed to leave if they are deemed healthy. Highways will also be reopened, while flights and trains will resume operations. Before the novel coronavirus was detected, Wuhan was known as a busy industrial hub by the Yangtze River. Once the virus struck, the city recorded over 50,000 confirmed cases and 2,500 deaths due to COVID-19. China's National Health Commission said that Wuhan accounted for 77% of all COVID-19 deaths in the country. BBC reports that when Wuhan recorded no new infections in April, shopping malls were reopened while some people were allowed to leave their houses for up to 2 hours. Now, people who have a green QR code on a smartphone health app will be allowed to leave Wuhan. The QR code links to each person's confirmed health status and will be scanned if they choose to use public transport. Industries connected with national or global supply chains and businesses involved in the production of daily goods and medical supplies will also be able to resume operations. 200 flights for a total of 10,000 passengers are reportedly scheduled to leave Wuhan on April 8, while almost 100 high-speed trains have been deployed. According to the Bangkok Post, China's government expects as many as 55,000 people to take trains out of Wuhan. However, schools remain closed and at least 45 residence compounds have lost their epidemic-free status. A compound is epidemic-free if no new cases in the community have been reported for 14 days. Wuhan authorities are still wary of asymptomatic cases of COVID-19. On March 10, Chinese President Xi Jinping visited Wuhan as a show of support for and confidence in the city. During his visit, he called the people heroic.